coefficients. These are transition probabilities between lower energy level and higher energy level. B12 for absorption process, A21 for spontaneous process, and B21 for stimulated emission process. Absorption process depends upon two factors, N1 and U omega. N1 is atomic population in lower energy state, and U omega is energy density of incident beam. And spontaneous emission process depends only upon N2, atomic population of higher energy state, and stimulated emission process depends upon two factors, N2, atomic population in higher energy state, and U omega, energy density of the incident beam. Now rate of upward transition is equal to rate of downward transition in the thermal equilibrium. Hence upward transition is only due to absorption process, this term is for absorption, and downward transitions of two type, this term for spontaneous emission and this term for stimulated emission. By equating upward and downward transition process, then we simplify this for energy density and we get this equation. Now using Boltzmann distribution law, which we have studied in lower classes, for the ratio of N1 upon N2, and that is equal to exponential to the power E2 minus E1 divided by KT, where K is Boltzmann constant and E2 minus E1 is the energy difference between two energy levels, lower and higher energy level, and this is equal to H cut omega. Now substituting value of N1 upon N2, we get expression for energy density, and this equation 3.11. Now we compare this equation with Planck's radiation law, which gives expression for U omega, this expression 3.12. So comparing 3.11 and 3.12, we get that B12 is equal to B21 is equal to B, and another we get the A21 upon B21 is equal to this H cut omega cube pi square C cube, और A21 को A लिख दिया, B21 को B लिख दिया. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इक्वेशन 3.14. न्यूमेरिकल्स भी पूछे जाते हैं यूजिंग दिस इक्वेशन. नाउ एनर्जी डेंसिटी को हम इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं, उसमें पुट कर दीजिए 3.14 को 3.11 में, एंड वी गेट दिस इक्वेशन, एंड वी कैन री राइट इट लाइक दिस, A upon B U omega इज इक्वल टू ई रेज टू पावर H कट ओमेगा KT माइनस 1. न्यूमेरिकल पूछे जा सकते हैं इसको यूज करके. Now possibility of amplification. Rate of stimulated emission depends upon N2 and rate of absorption process depends upon N1. So as for light amplification, stimulated emission process rate should be higher as compared to absorption rate. So N2 must be greater than N1. Hence the condition in which N2 is greater than N1 is called population inversion. And from 3.14 we also can get this ratio is equal to pi square C cube H cut omega cube, and it clearly shows it is inversely proportional to cube root of omega. For higher, it means higher is the frequency, then B21 the stimulated rate is lower. Hence the higher frequency lasers are very difficult to operate.